Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering tools and materials for a strong button repair. Use a sharp size 9 needle and 18 inches of polyester or button thread. Prepare scissors, a thimble, and a 3/5mm awl if the buttonhole needs enlarging. Choose a thread color that matches the blazer precisely. Remove loose fabric threads around the hole to prevent bunching. Mark the button placement with chalk or a pin that aligns with the opposite buttonhole. Turn the blazer inside out and pass the needle through fabric from the inside. Pull the thread until about 3 inches remain, then tie a small overhand knot to anchor. Position the button on the chalk mark and push the needle through the nearest hole. For a 4-hole button, make 8 to 10 passes total through paired holes in an X or parallel pattern. For a shank button, create stitches through the shank hole and avoid flattening the plastic. After sufficient passes, form a 1/4 inch spacer under the button with thread wraps. Slide the needle under those wraps and pull firmly to form a neat shank. Tie 3 surgeon's knots on the blazer interior to secure the thread permanently. Trim thread ends to approximately 4mm and melt synthetic thread tips carefully if used. Turn the blazer right side out and test the button by fastening it over the opposite buttonhole. Optionally, add a small drop of fabric.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.